Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
मैं हूँ श्रुति, ये है जोजो, and today we've got Raval and Bark.
Yours, back to the album, Sab Chahiye, and we ended our last one on track 8, Bombay Sapphire. Vibes were happening. Now we're gonna cover 9, which is a skit, and I think we can manage 10 and 11. So
अरे वाह, तीन इकट्ठे, very good. Let's do.
let's do. I'm excited about this. Raval and Bark session 1 is called the skit.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
probably the first time they met and jammed, who knows. Chalo. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
Okay. But yeah, this is good, bro. Like just this shit. Why are you recording this over here? Bro, like why don't you just record something like this? एक loop बना ले, simple सा. And then let's do something. But ये इतनी देर से तो बजाया जा रहा है ना? हाँ. तो इतनी लंबा क्यों है? पर तो काट देगा. क्योंकि ये तो टाइम सिग्नेचर के हिसाब से तो ना कर रहा है, तो बजाया जा रहा है. तो वही तो कह रहा हूँ. ऑनलाइन कर दूँगा. तो एक नया वाला बनाया ऐसे सिर्फ समझ रहा है. ये जो तू कर रहा है ना, डिट्टो यही, और कुछ चाहिए नहीं वहाँ की चूत दुनिया में. कल मिल जाएगा. कल क्या मिल जाएगा? करना अभी और क्या कर होगा ब्रो.
It's just random BTS, no?
Random.
Nice.
Wonder they just have some like was the mic on? Were they recording a song? Is that why it's recorded, or do they just record their sessions with each other just like that? I don't know. That's quite random.
It was nice. It was like one little, like, sneak peek which we are not supposed to listen to, but sun liya. Like, कि studio में बैठ के क्या बातें हो रही है before they get started actually, or like a brainstorm session. Nice.
I know, it's nice, no? They put session 1. Imagine how many sessions they must have had over the course of making the album. So session 1 say they just pulled out something and just put it in there because it's nice. So when you
private nostalgia feeling होगी, हमें उससे कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं मिल रहा है, but I'm sure for them it must be quite nostalgic to like say, अरे हाँ ये तब किया था या अच्छा वैसे.
This is where the journey of the album began, from this session. Right. So it's a nice personal touch to add. चलो.
I'm next के लिए ready.
आगे और ऊपर. Okay, so it's upwards. No. Onwards and upwards, like yes. you say yes. Nowadays, huh?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Aage aur upar, very nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
रात को नहीं आती नींद, सोता हूँ सुबह. रूटीन चुदा, मेरा कोई नहीं है खुदा. मरा विश्वास जब माँ गई बरस. फूका काफी चरस, छोड़ दी वो लतब. जिंदगी एक स्ट्रगल, काफी सीखे मैंने सबक. सर्कल काफी छोटा मेरा, ना दूं मैं फकअप. मारने पड़े सांप ऊपर जाने के लिए जीने से. मैं रोया 1 साल, बुरा हाल अब मुझे जीने दे. ये शब्द निकले सीने से, थोड़ी और पीने दे ताकि निकाल दूं मैं सच. छोटे भाइयों से तू बच, अच्छा नहीं चाहते हैं सब तेरा. सांप अगर काफी तो बन जा तू सब पेरा. परख ले फर्क देख फिर खोल जो भी राज हो. सुन ले अपने अंदर की आवाज को, ऐसे जी की तेरे बाप को नाज हो. माँ की आंखों में खास जो. जिंदगी जानी अब आगे ही आगे और ऊपर ही ऊपर. जिंदगी जानी अब आगे ही आगे और ऊपर ही ऊपर. ये गीत उनके लिए जो कि फंसे हैं अतीत में, जो मर गए क्योंकि मार्क्स थे कम शीट पे. जो नशे में धुन स्मैक और अफीम के. ये ले टूटी घड़ी, इससे तू सीख ले. 2 बार ठीक होती ये भी दिन में. थोड़ी और जान रख ले अपने दिल में. दिक्कतें गिन ले, निकाल दे तू तोड़. आगे चलते रहेगा तो आएगा ना मोड़. दूसरों पे डिपेंड होना छोड़, जिनकी एनर्जी है चोर. तू काट दे इनकी डोर, ये बशोर. लोग करते रहते आना जाना, गाते रहे तू बस अपना गाना. फिर बदलेगा जमाना और मिलेगा खजाना. नया एक फसाना, बुरा टाइम हुआ रवाना. तो ध्यान दे, लग जा अपने काम पे. खाली दिमाग जैसे शैतान बे. अपने रास्ते के तू ही सामने, बदलेगा सब जब तू ठान ले, बदलेगा सब जब तू। जिंदगी जानी अब आगे ही आगे और ऊपर ही ऊपर, जिंदगी जानी अब आगे ही आगे और ऊपर ही ऊपर।
What a stunning track. It is so motivational. I totally feel you, Joe. It touched you on a different level, na? What happened?
No, I'm just every line.
Yeah.
Not with arms and all.
And the previous skit makes sense now. How, you know, they were talking in it कि जो हम बात करेंगे उसके पीछे जो तू अभी बजा रहा है वही धीरे धीरे बस बजाते रहना. And so this track after that one makes complete sense. This is what they wanted. That, you know, to go in a very nice, meaningful pace where the music is just little bit in the background, thoda baj raha hai. And then how it started with such a low, and then I love how in the second half the words took a upward swing and trying to make, you know, sense out of things and to make motivation is the only word I can think of. Like it's yeah, it's a lovely track. Very
I just got very when he said SAG ऐसे तेरे बाप को हो नाज तुझ पर, right? From then on, from there on, it was.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just look up pull up the lyrics because
yeah.
I don't know. 1 second, sorry. कहाँ है? आगे और ऊपर. I think my spelling is wrong. It's not showing me.
Maybe it's too fresh. When did this release? It's been a
No,
while.
no, it's there on Genius. Genius has got all the of this album. So I know he started in you know with his personal sort of upbeat. He's telling us, and I didn't know that he had been through all this. So that kind of already hits you and kind of shocks you a bit.
Yeah.
But I like even there he's like फूका काफी चरस छोड़ दी बोला तब जिंदगी एक स्ट्रगल काफी सीखे मैंने सबक सर्कल काफी छोटा मेरा ना दूं मैं yeah, there's a lot of so it's not just this happened to me. It's also this happened to me and this is who I am now because of it. This happened to me and this is where I've reached now. This happened to me and this is where. So all of that was happening so smoothly and with every line that you're like you're not getting the time to think, oh damn. You're as soon as your oh damn happens, you're like he's come out of it stronger already. He's already gotten the lesson and the takeaway to be someone who's gone upwards and onwards beyond that incident. So that's happening so nicely right at the start, and then the second verse goes into such deep lines about you know motivating the person who's listening. And just like literally like all I have to say is truth bombs are being dropped one after another because ये गीत उनके लिए जो कि फंसे हैं अतीत में. So now he's like, okay, now the second verse I'm talking to you who's stuck in your past. Listen up. जो मर गए क्योंकि मार्क्स कम थे शीट पे, जो नशे में धुन स्मैक और अफीम के, ये ले टूटी घड़ी इससे तू सीख ले, 2 बार ठीक होती ये भी दिन में. एंड थोड़ी और जान रख ले अपने दिल में, दिक्कतें गिन ले, निकाल दे तू तोड़, आगे चलता रहेगा तो आएगा ना मोड़, दूसरों पे डिपेंड होना छोड़. आई लव दैट लाइन. जिनकी एनर्जी है चोर, तू काटते इनकी डोर, ये बस शोर. लोग करते रहते आना जाना, गाते रहे तू बस अपना गाना, फिर बदलेगा जमाना और मिलेगा खजाना, नया एक फसाना, बुरा टाइम हुआ रवाना. तो ध्यान दे, लग जा अपने काम पे, खाली दिमाग जैसे शैतान बे, अपने रास्ते के तू ही सामने. दैट लाइन, अपने रास्ते के तू ही सामने. I just, you know how many people don't realize this truth. I did for the longest time in my life. I held myself back from doing so many things. So you know, and the whole like yeah, you are your biggest critic and you are your biggest this thing is anyway. So badlega sab, जब तू ठान ले बदलेगा सब जब तू. It's just this song.
I know
This
for sure that, there are always those few days when you're feeling a little down and out and beaten from the world. Like there are times when you're just like, you don't have the strength to get up and like do things because you're like, what's the point of it all? And every now and then, aise hota hai. Like, there is something that'll get you down. This song is such a pick me up for those days. Like I can sense it. I can feel it that if, whenever next that happens, I know that listening to the song is going to give me that grit to just like say, okay, go forward and do now. It's a beautiful song. Right?
oh,
I wasn't expecting that.
I
at
was
all.
really not expecting it. I'm so sad. It's so good. This is
Oh, Joe, so cute. What I call.
shit.
I think we need to.
I'm gonna edit this part out because I can't.
Yeah, yeah.
Several song-filled hours later.
Joe, I think you need a pick me up right now. So this song has put you in one spiral. So I think we must listen to the next song right away, so that
Yeah.
hopefully रावल और भर्ग ने ये किया है अपने गाने के साथ. अब वो ही फिक्स करेंगे जोजो को with the next song.
But before we go to the next one, this I love this line. सांप अगर काफी तो बन जा तू सपेरा. So important in life.
Yes.
To learn how to play the ones who are trying to play you. It's not a negative thing. You've got to, wisen up, smarten up and all of that. परख देख फिर खोल जो भी राज हो सुन ले अपने अंदर की आवाज को. And these two lines just got me. ऐसे जी के तेरे बाप को नाज हो माँ की आंखों में खास जो. Oh,
I love the underlying message of it all. The whole base thing about that, how it's not that you can't pinpoint the difficulties and say, "Arey yaar, mere saath kyun hua? Ya ye difficulty meri life mein kyun aayi? Ya okay, now I'm going to kill this difficulty." But there is a nicer way of dealing with the whole thing. Saying yes, problems will come to you. Just go with the flow and come out on top. If सांप आ रहे हैं, सपेरा बन जाओ. If कुछ हो रहा है, instead of भिड़ोing with it head on, why not just take it in your stride and find a way to rise above it? This
Yeah.
song that upwards and onwards has like completely
and I
हर
must say,
line में justify किया उन्होंने.
yeah, and I have to
हाँ.
say that if firstly condolences. Did not know Raval had lost his mom, and the whole journey I'm just seeing in the first verse. It's so painful, and I can't even begin to imagine. But to have risen above it and move beyond it and become stronger in a way that has allowed you to sit and pen down lines like this, to create art like this, and then to motivate others through a song like this. I'm telling you, it's just so, hats off for your
Well done.
journey. Hats off to your
Yes.
journey, and hats off to the manner in which you channeled all that pain. Just hats off. We don't come across songs like this very often. This is a true masterpiece. It's I have to say all these things before we move to the next song, because it is such a strong song. These songs don't come around very often. So thank you, Raval and Marg, for creating this one. Yeah. Let's go to the next one, because now my
Very good.
invest-
Jojo's having
emotional-
an emo day. Very nice.
my
I like
emotional
it.
investment in this album is now 20,000 times more higher.
Superb.
Chalo, Khush Reh Tu. I like the name already. So this one has someone
Let
called
me cue it.
Lakshay on it.
Okay.
Lakshay, Raval and Bharg. So I don't know. Have you heard? I don't know who Lakshay is. We'll find out. Chalo.
Yeah.
Okay. One,
Wait.
two. Sorry.
I still have to cue it.
Sorry. I'm in such a rush to get go on with the
Yes.
album now.
I am ready. Tell me.
If we weren't doing this next song in this video, I would be sitting with the song for a good 10 hours on loop.
Which is why I insisted right
Yeah.
after your break. I was like, no, we have to listen to the next one, because
Hello.
only this album can get you out of it right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on.
1, 2, 3, play.
जी लेंगे हम तेरे बिना, मैं आधा था अब पूरा हुआ, मौसम के बदलते सफी का पड़ा, कुछ ना चाहा तुझसे, बस खुश रह तू, खुश रह तू। खुश रह तू, खुश रह तू, खुश रह तू, सच्ची बात सबसे अलग है तू, बस आदत एक पुरानी लत है तू, सीधी बात लड़की मुंह फट है तू, दिल के पास मिलो है दूध पर, एक दिन मिलेंगे जरूर हम, तब तक हम दूरी में ठीक, ऐसा ही अपना नसीब, हम कर सकते क्या, चढ़ा जो नशा वो उतर गया, बुना जो हमने वो उतर गया, चढ़ा जो नशा वो उतर गया, तेरे बिना पर मैं सुधर गया, सुनने में आती है तेरी अब बातें, रो रो के काटे तू अपनी अब रातें, चाहिए तुझे कुछ तो खड़े यहाँ पे, खुश रह तू, खुश रह तू, यही बस चाहते। जी लेंगे हम तेरे बिना, मैं आधा था अब पूरा हुआ, मौसम के बदलते सफी का पड़ा, कुछ ना चाहा तुझसे, बस खुश रह तू, खुश रह तू। और हाँ, कहने को कह दिया पर दिल से खुश तो नहीं, और हाँ, सोचा था सह लूंगा पर रहा कहीं का नहीं, कहने को कुछ तो है पर किसको सुनाऊंगा, बातें अधूरी जो छोड़ी थी उन्हें मैं गा के बताऊंगा, कैसी पहेली थी तू जिसमें हम फंस गए, कैसे पिंजरे में यूं हम बंद गए। जी लेंगे हम तेरे बिना, मैं आधा था अब पूरा हुआ, मौसम के बदलते सफी का पड़ा, कुछ ना चाहा तुझसे, बस खुश रह तू, खुश रह तू।
I'm missing a video. This is such a sweet song. Like such a real song about, happiest breakup, post-breakup song I've heard in a really long time.
It's just
We're not blaming anyone.
yeah, it's just a good energy. This is the good energy to give to someone. For sure. I like it.
But कहना बहुत easy होता है. But reality में, so I love that verse also which came in which said के कह तो दिया है but like अंदर से feel नहीं हो रहा है. So that it was so realistic.
Very real, yeah.
Yeah, like the different elements that you go through, different phases after a breakup, जहाँ पे आपको कभी कुछ feel होता है, कभी कुछ feel होता है, आप genuinely खुश भी हो, you wish well for the other person, but at the same time you feel bad also, and like you don't know how to deal with the emotions. All of
Yeah.
it wrapped up in such a feel was a very happy love song, but the words spoken were like post breakup. So very smart, very nice. I'm getting full self love vibes over here. I love it.
Yeah,
These
because
boys are nice and mature.
in the hook only, I'm seeing the lyrics. He said कि तेरे बिना मैं आधा था अब पूरा हुआ. मौसम के बदलते सब फीका पड़ा, कुछ ना चाहे तुझसे, बस खुश रह तू, खुश रह तू. So it's like, you know, I felt incomplete without you, but now I'm complete. I've reached that
Correct.
place, and you be
No,
happy.
okay. I understood that it's something different. That
What?
when usually we are in a relationship, we always say that we are half part. Where's your better half? It's normally referred to as that. So
Yeah.
as though the two halves make a one. That's when you're in a relationship, right? And then when you break up, mostly people say कि अधूरा हुआ. यहाँ पे उल्टा हो रहा है. Like
Yeah.
where it's like even when now you have broken up, you have come into your own and you've become that one complete person.
That is
So
what I'm saying. That
no,
only.
but oh,
So
okay.
he's saying
Right.
कि when you left, तेरे बिना मैं आधा था. I felt आधा, but अब मैं पूरा हो गया हूँ. I've realized I've come to that journey where now I feel complete even without you as a whole
Yeah.
person. अब मौसम बदल गया है, तो now I don't want anything from you. खुश रह तू, खुश रह तू. So
Huh, huh.
that hook itself was the journey was being
Correct.
summed up in it,
Correct.
है ना?
Yes.
So
Yes.
so nice. I think we both got the same thing out of it because वो आगे चल के फिर वो वर्सेस में जो आया, it was very um, see, first verse Raval and second verse was Bharg, and the
Hmm.
hook is Lakshya, so Lakshya is singing
Hmm.
throughout. So
Yeah.
खुश रह तू, सच्ची बात सबसे अलग है तू, बस आदत एक पुरानी लत है तू, सीधी बात लड़की मुफत है तू, दिल के पास मीलों है दूर पर, एक दिन मिलेंगे जरूर हम, तब तक हम दूरी में ठीक, ऐसा ही अपना नसीब, हम कर सकते क्या, चढ़ा जो नशा वो उतर गया, बुना जो हमने वो उधर गया, चढ़ा जो नशा वो उतर गया, तेरे बिना पर मैं सुधर गया, सुनने में आती है तेरी अब बातें, रो रो के काटे तू अपनी अब रातें, चाहिए तुझे कुछ तो खड़े यहाँ पे, खुश रह तू, यही बस चाहते. So yeah,
Correct.
you're right.
Very,
Yeah,
very real.
post breakup, he's gone through the journey. He's come into a place where he's okay on his own and complete. And you know, if you need something, I'm there for you. But just want you to be happy wherever you are.
Very realistic,
Uh,
I must say. Very
yeah,
nice.
very nice. And then Bharg, his verse, और हाँ कहने के कह दिया पर दिल से खुश तो नहीं. That's the line you were talking about. और हाँ
Yeah.
सोचा था सह लूंगा पर रहा कहीं का नहीं. कहने को कुछ तो है पर किसको सुनाऊंगा. बातें अधूरी जो छोड़ी थी उन्हें मैं गा के बताऊंगा. कैसी पहेली थी तू जिसमें हम फंस गए. कैसे पिंजरे में यूं हम बंद गए. So I feel like he's in a slightly different zone
Yeah.
from first
Like
verse.
it's different. Like I was saying, that different effects. Let's say like a breakup that can have different effects for different people.
Yeah.
It could either be that. It could be how you go through different stages. It could also be that because I go through all these feelings. Like ये हैं दो तीन अलग अलग लोगों की, but I have gone through a jumble because
Yeah.
that's how all of us humans are, right? We experience all of it mixed together. So yeah.
Yeah. I have so much to say about this. But I will just control. But no, I like that the song is it's an indie vibe, right? It's completely
Yeah.
in that zone.
Yeah.
It doesn't fall into the hip hop category, I feel. I mean, I don't know. I felt like they were all singing in this. They weren't really rapping. They were rhyming.
No.
But
Yeah.
they were singing more than anything else. So anyway, that being
And
said,
did Lakshya's voice remind you of someone? His style and his way of
you know,
singing was constantly reminding
now
me
that
of.
yes, but I can't put my finger on it, so I didn't bring it up. But the minute he started, I was
I
like,
can,
who does this sound
I
like?
ca-
Who?
yeah, I can put my finger on, but I don't want to say it because I don't want it to sound like
Yeah.
that as though he was copying him, because he wasn't. It is just a style difference, or a similar style. So Lakshya sounded really good. And
Really
in fact,
good.
because he was sounding so good and his emoting and everything was so pat on, that I was like, yeah, आवाज सुनी सुनी से है. And I was like, नहीं, आवाज नहीं, ये style सुना सुना सा है. But it's very much his own style and it sounded great. So yeah. But I think it says that he's got the makings of like really good stuff. I would love to check out more of his stuff.
Yeah,
कि और
for
क्या किया है ना? Yeah.
For sure. I just this song is definitely my vibe. And the lyrics are so nice. They're not fluff, they're deep, and they're saying all the right things, the kind of evolution one goes through after a breakup. and the thoughts one has, they're all kind of in there. So at the end of
I
it,
wanna
it's
I
huh.
wanna know before you talk about the end. I want to know what part finally fixed your mood. Like when you were feeling low and everything, and then you started listening to it. What element was
So
it? The music? Was it the words? What?
so number one, I was not feeling low because
You weren't low. Like you were
I
feeling
was feeling
affected with the song. Yeah,
yeah, I was
yeah,
in the emo zone.
yeah,
Um,
yeah, yeah.
but the as much as I was in the emo zone, I don't like I wouldn't want the viewer to think that that song made me go low. It actually made me feel so good and made me feel so like happy about just life and the evolution process through life. Um,
Yeah.
but sometimes you want to stay in that emo zone and feel happy in it. So that's what that song did to me. This song, where it got me was Bas Khush Reh Tu. That first time he sang that, it made me smile.
Yeah.
But I think
Yeah.
the main line was the main line was where I just said it. चाहिए तुझे कुछ तो खड़े यहाँ पे खुश रह तू बस यही
Yeah.
चाहती.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, I was like, it all comes back to you being at peace with yourself. So
Correct. Correct.
you know, so that was for me. What about you? Was there any
For
particular?
me, the music and the vibe which was set even before they started singing, right in the start, there
Mm.
was like this one, dun, 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 like there was this one,
The
it was
whistling.
very playful.
Uh.
Whistling and whistling, there was this very playful underlay in the entire song. So
Mm.
while even before the words hit me, when I realized that ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात कर रहे हैं यार, वो बहुत ही positive तरीके से post breakup की बात कर रहे हैं, which is amazing. Even before that, the playfulness of the rhythm got me entirely, and I was just grooving with it. I'm anyways more a rhythm and a music person. Like if that is proper for me, many times I will discount a lot of words as well onto
Yeah.
it. But
Yeah.
यहाँ पे words were also really good, rhythm was also really good, and the whole basic vibe was so good that made
Yeah.
it for me. That
Yeah.
song completely
Yeah, true. This is a full melody based, very like the melody grabs you from the first second. Very nice.
Correct.
So I agree, but I really want to know who did the whistling. यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है. Genius.com. What are you doing? Find out. Put it. Put it in the lyrics. So otherwise, Raval and Mark, please tell us who did the whistling. Cause very nice.
Yes. And a
I
special
know
thank you to
you're a fan.
genius.com over here. I'm saying, yeah, I am, but I'm saying before that, a special thank you to genius.com. Thank you. आप ही हो एक जिनके पास ये lyrics थे. So how
हाँ,
much
हाँ.
ever, we love you like we hate you like we love you. But it's still love.
We love to hate you and we hate to love you, but it's all
Yes.
happening. So, on that genius note, I think we will take your leave. This album, where we stand today with it,
Yes.
we are now, this was track 11. So, okay, we're more than halfway through it, but my emotional investment in this album has now peaked. Maybe it'll go higher, maybe it'll stay at this peak. We don't know. There's lots more to come.
जानिए अगले reaction में.
I know,
I
but
totally went in that flow.
you know how happy we were with Khana Badosh. This is an album that's giving me full satisfaction. So like
On that
um,
same level of
same level.
satisfaction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Anas.
I'm just okay. I will save all those thoughts for the last reaction of this album. But too many things are happening in my brain. So control. Chalo. On that note, check out Miss Bola's YouTube channel. She's podcasting there some very important life lesson kind of topics that one should get to ASAP. And we'll see you on the next one. Keep smiling.
Correct.
Live long and prosper.